Following is a picture of a distribution of water. දැන් පුතේ මේ වගේ questions නිතර දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කීපයක්ම answer කරා. ටිකක් සමාන ඒවා නේද? එතකොට දැන් අපි මේව මේ papers කීපයකම මේ questions වලට answer කරොත් ඒ පාඩමෙන් අපිට ආයෙන්නේ ඒ ලිව්වා වගේම question එකක් තමයි answer කරන්න. ඒකයි අපි past papers කරාම O level paper එකේ අපිට ලියපු ප්‍රශ්නයක්ම ආයි ලැබෙන්නේ. කලින් ලියපු එකක්ම ආයි උත්තර ලියන්න ලැබෙන්නේ. අපි ඒ පාඩමෙන් එන්න තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න ඔක්කොටම පිළිතුරු ලිව්වහම අපිට ඒ වාසිය තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා අපි හැම පාඩමක් අවසානෙම ඒකට අදාළ papers කරලා ඉමු. Room number 1. Name the parts shown in part A and C. A and C. What are the answers? A 79%.
Yes.
Huh?
Ice caps and glaciers.
Ice caps and glaciers. Glaciers. 1 marks. 1 marks for it. B. It's C. 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 1%. 1% තියෙන්නේ. මොනවාද තියෙන්නේ C වල?
Usable surface water.
Usable surface water. Usable surface water. අපි භාවිතයට ගන්න මතු පිට ජලයේ තියෙන 100%. Usable surface water. Usable surface water. 1 marks. 2 marks for room number 1. 2. Room number 2 part A. What is the condition shown by letter B? B. What is the condition? Then B වල තියෙන මොන waterද? Letter B.
Ground water.
Ground water තියෙන්නේ. ඔන්න ආයි චුට්ටක් පැටලුණාද බලන්න. room number 1 වල part A C දෙකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද? ඒ වල එන්න ඕනේ ice and glaciers, ice caps and glaciers. 79% ice caps and glaciers. C. Usable surface water. අඩුපාඩු තියෙනවා හදා ගන්න. Usable surface water. Water can be used කියලා ලියලා බෑ. Usable surface water. හරියටම උත්තර ලියා ගන්න. භාවිතයට ගත හැකි මතු පිටි ජලය. Usable surface water. Room number 2 part A. What is the condition shown by letter B? මේ B වල තියෙන water එක මොකක්ද කියලා තමයි මේකෙනුත් අහන්නේ. B. Ground water. Ground water. B. Ground water. Part A වලින් අහන්නේ B. Ground water. Part B. Write 2 methods that water in part B can be used. මේ ground water එක use කරන්න පුළුවන් method දෙකක් කියන්න කියන්නේ. What are the methods? Ground water පොළොවේ යට තියෙන ජලය අපි භාවිතයට ගන්නේ කොහොමද? Tube wells ලියලා නැත්නම් ලියා ගන්න. Tube wells ඊගාට springs බුල්පත් වලින් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Sweep well ආණ්ඩි වලින් අහලා තියෙනවනේ නේ. Sweep well ආණ්ඩි වලින්. wells කියලා තිබ්බත් ලකුණු ලැබෙනවා ඈ. wells, tube well, sweep wells, springs. Room number 3 part A. Write a natural and a human activity that affect to pollution of water. We have to write down human activity as well as natural activity that affect pollution of water. What are the What are the natural activities which affect to air pollution of water? Water pollution or balapan natural activities manada. Huh? What are the natural activities?
Floods
Huh?
polluted by floods and earthquakes.
Eruption of volcanoes. Ocean එකේ volcanoes ඇති වුණා ocean water pollute වෙනවා. ඊගාවට land එකේ ඇති වෙන volcano එකක් ජලයට මිශ්‍ර වීමෙන් ජලය pollute වෙනවා. එහෙනම් ලියන්න eruption of volcanoes. Eruption of volcanoes. You write down answer for this one. මේවා ලියලා නැත්නම් ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියපු එකට අමතරව ලියා ගන්න. Eruption of volcanoes. Processes regarding marshlands. Marshlands වල ඇතිවන ක්‍රියාවලියන් නිසාත් ජලය දූෂණය වෙනවා. Marshlands.
Teacher,
Yes.
can we get floods?
Yes, floods also you can write down.
By acid rains.
As it rains also you can write down. Death of aquatic organisms. ජලජ ජීවීන් මොකක් හරි දෙයකින් විනාශ වුණොත් නේද මරණයටපත් වුණොත්. Death of aquatic organisms. Death of aquatic organisms. Next one, human activities which affect to water pollution. What are the human activities? Release of various chemicals. Yes, release of various chemicals, carbonic matter into the water. Use and release. Use and release waste from industries. Mixing of fertilizer and chemicals added to soil in agricultural activities. Irregular disposal of waste matter and sewage. Neon, what are the answers? Your answers? Tasiru, did you write answer for this one?
Yes, madam.
Okay. 2 marks for part A. Room number 3, part A, 2 marks. ලකුණු දෙකයි හම්බෙන්නේ ටික ලිව්වට. එක එකනේ ලියන්න තියෙන human activity එකයි natural activity එකයි තියෙන ලකුණු 2 marks. B, explain two problems that people have to face in future due to water pollution.
Scarcity of water due to the water pollution causing kidney diseases.
හරි බල ඔයගොල්ලෝ answers ලිව්වද ඊගා question එකට? Did you write the answer for next one? Explain 2 problems that people have to face in future due to the water pollution. Water pollution නිසා ඇතිවන අනාගතයේ ඇතිවෙන්න පුළුවන් problems මොනවාද ඇතිවෙන්න පුළුවන්? Firstly, you have to write down 2 problems, then you can explain these 2. Did you explain?
Yes, teacher.
What are the what are the problems? What are the problems?
Scarcity of water,
Yes,
spreading
scarcity of water. Lack of drinking
Spread-
water. පානීය ජල හිගයක්
Increasing
ඇති
various diseases
Causing
various
respiratory
diseases. රෝග පැතිරෙනවානේ ජල හිගයත් එක්ක. Spread of various diseases.
can become a drought.
Yes. Occur in drought. Disturb to fishing activities. Water pollution එක fishing activities වලට disturb වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Lack of drinking water. ලියලා නැත්නම් ලියා ගන්න answers. Lack of
Water bodies in the country.
yes. Lack of drinking water, spread of various diseases. Disturb to fishing activity. You have to explain these 2. දෙකක් ලියලා ඒ දෙකම explain කරන්න ඕනේ. Did you explain? Tasiru, can you tell me your answer?
Madam, scarcity of water due to the water pollution causing kidney diseases due to the water pollution.
Okay. Did you explain?
No, madam.
No. Neon, Rajendra. Jayami. Sandali, Samadhi.
teacher.
Can you explain your answer? Can you read your answer? Ushani?
Scarcity of water because of pollution, the remaining usable water will be disappear.
Yes.
Global warming,
Yes.
lack of oxygen due to minimal trees and increased carbon dioxide gas.
Okay, you have to explain these 2 points. The lack of drinking water. එක explain කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද? Lack of drinking water. පානීය ජල හිගේ due to ලියලා නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ answers ලියා ගන්න. Due to water pollution, lack of drinking water, lack of drinking water. The lack of drinking water is a great problem. Water is essential for the water is essential for the sustenance of all the biosystem. We need pure drinking water. We need pure drinking water for drinking and domestic purposes. Domestic purposes. Lack of drinking water also affect to spread various types of diseases. Various type of diseases. Out of the total volume of water, out of the total volume of global water, only 1%, or a very limited amount of fresh water found on the surface of land. Surface on land. Surface of land can be utilized by man. Can be utilized by man. Due to water pollution, that people have to face, have to face great problem, have to face a great problem like lack of drinking water, lack of drinking water. Lack of drinking water. තව point එකක් explain කරමු අපි disturbed fishing activities or spread of various diseases ඒ වගේ එකකුත් explain කර හැකිනේ water pollution නිසා ඇති වෙන ඒවානේ අපි ලියන්න ඕනේ lack of drinking water, spread of various diseases, disturbed fishing activities. Okay, you write down next point, disturbed fishing activities. Due to water pollution, due to water pollution, due to water pollution, it affect to fishing industry also. Fishing industry also. Due to water pollution, it affect the fishing industry also. Due to what leakage of oil, due to leakage of oil, releasing industrial waste material into waterways, releasing industrial waste material into waterways, releasing agrochemicals, releasing agrochemicals into waterways. These are affect to These are affect to aquatic organisms directly. These are affect to aquatic organisms directly. And it affect to decrease, it affect to decrease fishing harvest also. Fishing harvest also. දැන් ශ්‍රී ලංකාවෙත් අර මේ නැවක තෙල් ලීක් වෙලා ෆිෂින් ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට විශාල බලපෑමක් වුණානේ නේ. ඒකයි. Okay, yeah, third question. Following picture shows the cross section of the three main layers of the structure of the earth. From number 1. Name the two layers shown by number 1 and 2 respectively. Number 1. What is the layer number 1?
Crust,
Crust. Yes, crust. Number 2.
lower mantle,
Mantle.
Mantle. මේකේ lower mantle, upper mantle කියන්න බෑ. මේක දෙකට නේද වෙන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Mantle එකේ කොටස් දෙක වෙන් කරලාද මේ රූප සටහනේ හැටියට? නෑනේ. වෙන් වෙලා නෑ නේද? එහෙමනම් මේක මේ කොටස දෙකකට වෙන් වෙලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මේකේ තියෙන්නේ crust, mantle, core. ඒ තුන නේද මේ තියෙන්නේ? crust, mantle, core. ඒව නේද තියෙන්නේ? එහෙනම් number 2 mantle. Number 2 mantle. Okay. Room number 2, part A. What is the name for the boundary shown by letter A, which separate 1 and 2 layers? 1 and 2 layers separate කරන්නේ මොකෙන්ද? Gutenberg discontinuity. You write down the answer. Gutenberg discontinuity. Gutenberg discontinuity. B. Write two specific characteristic of the layer shown by number 3. Number 3 wala features. Tell me your answers. Number 3.
It is below the mantle.
Yes.
it is extend towards depth of 1220 kilometer from
Yes.
outer core.
Yes. Yes, it is composed by iron and nickel. Yes. Located below the mantle of the earth. ලියලා තියෙනම් හරි දාගන්න තව අවශ්‍යව ලියා ගන්න. දැන් තමන් දෙකක් ලිව්වා කියලා නිහඬව ඉන්න එපා ලියා ගන්න. Located below the mantle of the earth. mantle එකට පහළින් තියෙන්නේ. ඒක අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන්. Located below the mantle of the earth. Divided two parts as inner core and outer core. Core අපිට කොටස් දෙකකට වෙන් කර හැකිනේ. Can be divided into two parts as inner core and outer core. Outer core consists of liquid metal. You can write down it also. Outer core එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Outer core. The outer core consists of liquid Metal. Liquid metal. Next point. Nickel and iron can be found abundantly. It also you can write down. Nickel and iron. මේ කෝ එකේ තියෙන nickel iron නේද? Nickel and iron can be found abundantly. The inner core consists of thick metal layer. Outer core එකේ liquid එකක් තියෙන්නේ, inner core එකේ තියෙන metal එකක්. The inner core consists of thick metal layer. The inner core consists of a thick metal layer. The depth extend to කොච්චර දුරට යනවද? Extend to the inner core consists of thick metal, metal layer, and it extends to the depth of 1,220 kilometer from the outer core. Okay. B. Part B. Okay. B ලිව්වේ නේද? Room number 3, part A. Name the two parts that are used to make the layer shown by number 1. Write two specific, name two parts that are used to make the layer shown by number 1. Then number 1 layer එක කිව්ව මොකක්ද? Crust. Crust.
Oceanic crust and continental crust.
Crust එකේ එහෙනම් කොටස් දෙක මොනවද? Continental crust, oceanic crust. Continental crust, oceanic crust. B. Part B. Explain using two facts that how this layer affect to human activities. මේ layer එකේ human activities වලට කොහොමද බලපාන්නේ? Important for agricultural activities. Did you write the answer? Important for agricultural activities.
To construct buildings.
To build settlements, yes. To build settlements. Important for agricultural activities. To build settlements. Existence of valuable minerals. Decided the existence of living being. Okay, you have to explain 2 points important for agricultural activities. Important for agricultural activities. First layer is crust. Crust consists of 2 layers, continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust is used for agricultural activities. Agricultural activities. The uppermost thin layer එකට ලියා ගන්න. දැන් agricultural activities වලට ලියා ගන්න. ඒක explain කරන්න ලියා ගන්නකො. Important for agricultural activities. Live the crust consists of 2 layers, 2 parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust is very important for agricultural activities. The uppermost thin layer, මේ ඉහළම තියෙන තුනි layer එකේ නම් continental crust එකේ තමයි මේක තියෙන්නේ. The uppermost thin layer of the crust consists